Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. Today we're gonna be on the trampoline. Wait, am I on the trampoline? First, I'm going to set up the tripod kind of thing. So, let's see. Actually, let's not go on the trampoline. It would be a slow line video. So, yeah. So let's do some slow. Okay. So I have 3 different slimes that I'm going to show you. I had 4, but forgot at my mom's house. So yeah. Alright. I'm going to show you right. And drop it. You know, it's fine. Here, I'll set you up and then I'll show you. Okay, let me set you up. Yeah, actually, show you some other side. Here's, I'm going to show you anything. Here's the confetti. Yeah, okay. Now, let me set you up. Okay, I need to set you up. Okay, so let me grab the slimes. Boom, boom, and boom. I don't know why I see. Scoot that to the edge. Show you all my slime. So first, I'm gonna show you my galaxy slime. This galaxy slime I used this little kit thing I bought from Walmart to do it. I forgot what the name was, but what I did, and it turned out beautifully. Okay, so oh, stop. So I used white glue, the solution that's in there. White glue, the solution that it gives you, and blue dye, purple and blue glitter, and these sequence things. And these little things right here. So look, here's the slime. It's nice and blue. Let me show you. That's let's see if the camera focus in on it. Looks like it did. That is the kind of galaxy slime. Right now, go on to the, let's see the confetti slime. Confetti slime. So we're gonna dig it out. It's kind of like crunchy slime. Take it out. See it? This one I say is the best of the 4 I made, but I haven't felt it. Ooh. Oh, that didn't come out. Okay, and my slime's a little more putty than slimish, but they do get better as they go on. So here's the confetti slime. I'm gonna do this at night. Whoa, how does that look? So cool. Whoa. Boing, boing. Squish. There. Oh, hold on. Here we go. Ready? It's not sticky slime, but I'm don't know that's my. It's this slider here. Get the camera focused. That's the slime. Yeah. Okay. Next. It's nothing really special, but let's see. It is drama. White slime. I know it's not very special. Let's see if I can get that. Oh! I don't want to get my finger stuck. Oh, yeah, I got that way better than usually. So this one's just regular white slime. There's teeny pieces of glitter because the Galaxy kind does get a little glitter in your hands. So if you notice in the white slimes, so there's just little pieces of, see, like very small. This is the white one. No. This is, I say, my, it's very, what do I call it, putty-like. It's not as slime-like as the other two are. Confetti one is super good. Here is the white slime. That you're really focusing on. White slime. Oh yes. And I use the same recipe for all of them, except for the confetti. I used white glue, no dye or no glitter, and then I put the glue in the bead things, and then, yeah. Last one is boom. Bad jumbo, but it's this one. It was white, but I added a whole bunch of glitter. A whole bunch of glitter to it, so you can see it here. And I put googly eyes on it. So let's see how this looks. Ooh. And it's amazing because it's like sandy texture. Like it feels like sand. And this is my new invention. I call this sandy slime because it's white. It was white. Then I started, we make this extra cool. So I added sand to it. Okay, sand, see? I call it sandy slime because when you mix it around and you play with it, it's sandy. You can feel the glitter and stuff, and but in the inside, like right here, since it wasn't touched in the bag, then it feels like smooth. It's really cool, and I added a bunch of googly eyes to it. It's not as big as the other ones because I only had a little glue left, so like, hey, look, I can make this. And the googly eyes just fell, but here's this. You can hear it, but here is this one. It's really good, actually. See that? But it reminds me, I don't know why, it reminds me of gum. Because when you're chewing gum, I don't know why. If you feel it, you would notice. But here is the multi-color. It's black sandy slime. That's the one. Sadly, that's all I have. That's all the slime that I have. If you want, I can make more slime if this video gets 30 likes. I will do a slime video whenever I can, whenever I get more glue. Glue is the only thing I'm out of, so I'm trying to get more of it. So I will see you guys later on the next video of Katie Bear Gaming /vlogs. Bye. Yeah.